So guys, this just arrived. This is the Oraimo SpaceBox Max, and this thing is not small at all. It is a 200-watt wireless party speaker that supports Auracast, and it has karaoke features and even lets you plug in a guitar and a microphone. So let's do an unboxing and quick review video. Let's get down to business. It is currently available on Oraimo website, and if you're interested in buying one right now, you can go to your country's Oraimo website or Oraimo store app and use my discount code BRACKET to enjoy a 5% discount. Thank you. Now, let's open this guy up. Let's see what we have here. At the front, you can see the Oraimo speaker here, and at the back, you are going to see the specifications of the Oraimo speaker. Right away, you can see that this guy is a very large speaker. So where are we opening it? I think from here. You have to be careful so we don't cut some things. All right. So inside the box, you are going to see the user manual in a plastic wrap, as in a nylon. And let me bring that out for you to see. As you can see it here, this is it. And the next thing you are going to see is the charging cable or the power cable. And this power cable is a UK plug type. And the last but not the least is the Oraimo Bluetooth speaker itself. The rest are just packing. So let me bring that out. There's one thing you need to know. When you're ordering, I notice that it comes in two versions. One comes with two microphones and the other one is just the speaker itself. Mine is just the speaker itself, so I don't need the microphone. I'm not going to be using it for singing or doing karaoke. The first thing you are going to notice here is the size. The speaker measures about 1.92 feet in height and 0.9 in length and 0.87 feet in breadth. So it is clearly designed for bigger spaces, outdoor events, or parties. The build feels solid and durable. You also get a large speaker grille, and around the speaker you will find the music synchronized lighting, which means the light will react to the music you are playing. At the top of the speaker, you are going to see the control knob and the buttons. So we have the power on button, we have the Bluetooth button, and in between the power on button and the Bluetooth button, you are going to see the battery indicator. It shows 4 bars which move when you are charging the speaker. When the battery is low, the indicator lights up red, and once the battery is fully charged, the white light goes off. The knob is used for increasing and decreasing the volume, and also you can press it to skip forward or play or pause your music. And the last set of buttons is the bass button and the RGB light control button. Still at the front, you are going to see the Oraimo branding there. And also when you are playing music, you see these 2 lights flashing at the front. Another thing that I noticed underneath this speaker is a pole mount socket, which means you can place it on a speaker stand. That is useful for events, DJ setups, and parties because raising the speaker helps the sound to travel further across the room. So virtually, it is already looking like something designed for a party setup. Looking around the speaker, you'll find several connectivity options. You can actually play your music through Bluetooth, aux input, USB drive, and memory card. But it gets more interesting. Now, if you move to the back of the speaker, you'll notice these 2 separate sections. So you have the top one here and the down one here. The first and the large compartment houses most of the inputs and control options. Here you will find the independent volume controls for the mic 1 and the mic 2 or the guitar, which is useful for karaoke sections or hosting events. You also get several input options including aux input, USB port, TF card slot for playing music directly from a memory card, Auracast button, which allows you to connect multiple compatible speakers together. There is also a USB DC out port, which can be used to power compatible device for just 5 watts. And right below the opening, you will notice the speaker technical specifications printed on the inside of the cover. Now, below that is the second compartment, which is here. This is the dedicated spot for charging the speaker. So this is where you plug the power cable included in the box. Now, let's talk about some key features of this guy here. This speaker delivers 200 watts of output, which means you should be capable of producing well loud sound for your parties or outdoor use. You can also use it for indoor gathering too. It uses Bluetooth 6.0, which can give you 10 meters range. And the frequency response goes from 40 Hz to 20 kHz, which should cover most bass and higher frequencies. Battery-wise, it packs 5200 mAh battery at 11.1 volts. Oraimo said that this guy can last you for 6 hours on maximum volume and 15 hours on medium volume. I haven't tested that yet. Maybe in the full review, I'm going to tell you guys that. And they also claim that this guy can charge for just 2 hours, 30 minutes. Well, I'm going to confirm that in the full review video. Another interesting feature here is the Auracast synchronized playback, which means that you can connect multiple compatible speakers together for a larger sound system. You can connect 2 or more of these speakers to produce larger sound. You get. This guy comes with app support. That means you can connect it to your Oraimo Sound app. The speaker works with Oraimo Sound app and it's going to give you additional controls for your speaker. For example, if you don't want to use the voice prompt like this,
power on,
this power on, power off, pairing, you can actually disable that feature in the Oraimo Sound app. So it won't be making power on, power off if you don't like that. The app also allows you to enable things like play boost, adjusting certain sound settings and control other features of the speaker. So the app basically gives you more control and customization beyond the physical buttons on the top of the speaker. So since this is just an unboxing and quick review, let me share with you guys the sound test. Actually, I have not done the battery test yet, so maybe in the full review video, I'm going to show you guys that. And here is the sound test.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed, all the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say, I don't push pause, no I push play. There was once a day that I would pray for you, I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too, sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. Our first time, our first date, you're so fun, I'm so late. You sip one, I drink straight, don't waste time.
So guys, that is it. You can see that this guy is very, very loud. 200 watts is massive. Serious loudness there. And Oraimo is not going to fail you on that one. If you have any question, let me know down there in the comment section. Don't forget to use my discount code bracket to also enjoy 5% discount on other Oraimo products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.